This video will introduce you to the many ways you can get support as a student at the University of South Wales. You may not need help now, but at some point even the best students can benefit from support, and we want you to know that we'll be here for you. Firstly, UniLife. UniLife is USW's online student portal, bringing together various student websites and online services. It gives instant answers to many basic support questions, and it's a gateway to more in-depth individual support. You'll find the latest student news and events and lots of other useful information, like term dates and results, and links to all the other support resources mentioned in this video. You can log on to the UniLife homepage at unilife.southwales.ac.uk. You'll need your USW IT account to log into UniLife, and also to access your student email account, which is used for support messages from the university. Your IT account is set up during enrolment. If you have a problem with your account or any other IT issue, contact USW IT support via their online support system, by telephone or in person. The Advice Zone is a first point of contact for individual student inquiries, offering confidential help with anything that affects your ability to study. You can contact the Advice Zone online or by telephone, and they have offices on campus where you can get face-to-face help. The university also has a range of specialist support teams staffed by experts in specific areas. Each service has a website accessible via UniLife, where you'll find out much more about what they offer. You may be referred to one of these teams by the Advice Zone, and you can also contact most of them directly. The USW Health Service offers free health advice and support to all USW students. They form part of your overall health provision, alongside your doctor, pharmacist, dentist, and the NHS. Register now with the USW Health Service and with a local doctor to speed up access to healthcare when you need it. The USW Health Service is part of the wider wellbeing service, which covers health, mental health, counselling and disability. For mental health support, start by booking a wellbeing advice appointment. If you have a disability, register with a disability service and make an appointment with a disability advisor at the earliest opportunity to ensure that appropriate adjustments and support are in place from the very start of your course. The Student Money Advice team provide advice and information to help you make informed decisions about your finances. They can help you find out about funding opportunities before starting your studies, maximise your funding resources whilst at university, and advise on managing your money. They may even be able to offer direct assistance in some circumstances if you get into financial difficulty. The Progression Advice team helps students who are at risk of not completing their course. If you encounter difficulties while studying at university, they can help guide you through your options and look at a holistic support plan for you. Whatever your sexuality, gender, race, age, ability, culture or belief, you'll be welcomed at the chaplaincy, who can provide pastoral support or even just a friendly cup of tea. If you're an international student, you should take note of the Immigration and International Student Advice Service. Their main expertise is in immigration law, and they offer specialist advice and information for international students and their dependents. They also offer a dedicated advice service for non-academic welfare-related matters, and provide opportunities that improve the international student experience and promote internationalisation both on and off campus. Some of USW support services are more focused on developing you as a learner and making you more employable. Library services provide access to a wide range of resources in the library buildings and online, including access to books, journals and databases, public access PCs and Macs and laptop loans. Student development and study skills aim to improve academic performance and develop transferable skills. They have self-study resources, one-to-one appointments, group workshops, specialist support for students with disabilities, and run peer-to-peer student mentoring schemes. They welcome all learners, helping break down barriers to learning, as well as enabling high achievers to further develop their skills. If you're having difficulty with a specific topic on your course or need help with an assignment, then of course you can contact your lecturer. Careers can help you plan for, upskill and find a job while you're a student and even after you graduate. If you want to create your own job, they can also help you with business startup. It's not too early to start preparing for the world of work. We hope that you'll enjoy your time at USW, studying, developing as a person and being part of our community. Remember that if you need any help and support, it is available. Bookmark UniLife and the Advice Zone now.